like magic, be like fire.
Hiking doesn't have to be expensive to be enjoyable. There are plenty of affordable gadgets that can make your outdoor adventures easier, safer, and more fun. These budget-friendly tools prove that you don't need to spend a lot to hike smart and stay prepared. All the mentioned product links are in the description. Get comfortable, because here we go. Number 20. Hiking poles. Essential for long treks, hiking poles offer stability, reduce strain on joints, and improve balance on uneven terrain. They are lightweight, foldable, and easy to pack, making them perfect for multi-day hikes. Affordable models can perform just as well as high-end options, proving that reliable support doesn't have to cost much. Ideal for both uphill climbs and downhill descents. They help hikers stay comfortable and injury-free, turning challenging trails into more enjoyable and manageable adventures. Number 19. Hiker Crew Socks. Comfortable hiking socks can make a big difference on the trail, offering breathability, moisture control, and cushioning where it matters most. Designed with varying thickness to support different parts of the foot, they reduce the risk of blisters, bruising, and sore spots. A quality merino wool blend keeps feet dry, fresh, and comfortable during long treks. Durable and long-lasting, they ensure each step feels supported, allowing hikers to enjoy challenging trails with fewer distractions and greater comfort. Number 18. Alpenblow Micro Inflator. Inflating sleeping pads after a long hike can be tiring, but a compact, ultralight inflator can make the process effortless. Lightweight and easy to pack, it works quickly while you handle other camp tasks. With multiple adapters for different pad valves and minimal battery usage, it's a practical tool for multi-day hikes. Its portability and efficiency save time and energy, making camp setup smoother and more enjoyable without adding unnecessary bulk to your backpack. Number 17. Osprey Hikelite 26. A well-designed day pack can make hiking more comfortable and organized. With a ventilated trampoline-style back panel to keep you cool, deep-side pockets, and space for a 3-liter water bladder, it offers the right balance of features without unnecessary bulk. Lightweight yet durable, it handles daily hikes with ease while keeping gear accessible. Its practical design and reliable build make it a dependable companion for those seeking value and comfort on the trail. Number 16. Lightweight Sit Mat. Finding a dry and comfortable place to sit during a hike can be challenging, especially on wet or uneven terrain. A compact foam sit mat offers a simple and practical solution, providing comfort without adding bulk to your pack. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's quick to set up and keeps you off damp ground. Ideal for rest breaks on the trail, it adds a touch of comfort to outdoor adventures without sacrificing space or convenience. Number 15. Nitecore A23. A reliable headlamp is essential for night hikes, camp chores, and early morning starts. USB rechargeable models remove the hassle of swapping disposable batteries, offering long run times and easy charging from a power bank or solar panel. Lightweight and compact, they provide bright, adjustable light for various tasks while keeping your hands free. Designed for comfort and durability, a good headlamp ensures clear visibility in low-light conditions, making outdoor activities safer and more efficient without adding unnecessary weight to your pack. Number 14. Ultralight Repair Spool by Igneous. Carrying a compact repair solution can be valuable for fixing gear on the trail. A small, lightweight spool holding duct tape, thread, and a needle keeps essentials organized and ready for quick use. Designed for portability, it fits easily into a pack and helps address minor issues without carrying bulky supplies. While simple DIY alternatives exist, its all-in-one convenience can be useful for long-distance hikers needing repairs on the go, ensuring gear stays functional throughout challenging journeys. Number 13. SHULOOK Hiking Shoes. Lightweight hiking shoes can provide comfort, durability, and protection for both short trails and extended treks. Made with breathable, water-resistant materials, they keep feet dry while allowing ventilation. Supportive cushioning and targeted heel padding reduce strain, while a sturdy anti-slip sole offers reliable traction on varied terrain. Designed for versatility, they work well for hiking, camping, and other outdoor activities, helping reduce fatigue and keep each step stable and comfortable throughout the journey. Number 12. Bug Spray. Effective insect protection is essential for enjoying the outdoors without discomfort. A lightweight DEET-based spray offers long-lasting defense against mosquitoes, ticks, biting flies, and other pests, helping reduce the risk of insect-borne illnesses. The quick-drying, non-greasy formula feels comfortable on the skin and won't stain clothing. Packaged in a convenient aerosol can, it allows for easy and even application, making it a practical addition to hiking, camping, or any outdoor adventure where protection and comfort are a priority. Number 11. Cork Massage Ball. Long hikes can leave muscles, tendons, and joints sore, making recovery an important part of any adventure. A compact cork massage ball offers a simple way to relieve tension, reduce inflammation, and target problem areas like feet, neck, and legs. Lightweight and easy to carry, it takes up minimal space in a pack while providing noticeable comfort after long days on the trail. Paired with stretching and rest, it helps maintain endurance for multi-day hiking and backpacking trips. Number 10. Mini Ditty and Spoon Cover. Small, ultralight, and highly practical, these compact covers keep essentials like spoons or toothbrushes clean and free from dirt or grime during your trips. Designed to hold small items such as spare change or medications, they offer more durability and cleanliness than disposable bags. Easy to clean, resistant to punctures, and built to last, they provide a sustainable solution without adding noticeable weight to your pack, making them an efficient addition for any hiker focused on keeping gear fresh and ready to use. Number 9. Water Filter. A compact portable water filter provides clean and safe drinking water on the trail or during emergencies. With a durable ceramic cartridge, it removes bacteria and protozoan cysts while handling clear or turbid water. Lightweight and easy to carry, it produces a steady flow of filtered water for small groups and can be cleaned quickly in the field for repeated use. Rugged construction ensures reliable performance in harsh conditions, making it an essential tool for backpacking, camping, and outdoor adventures. Number 8. Backpack Cover. A lightweight backpack cover provides essential protection from rain and moisture while hiking or camping. Compact and easy to carry, it adds minimal weight to your pack but shields gear effectively during heavy downpours. It can also be used at camp or during breaks to keep your belongings dry. Available in specific sizes for a snug fit, it ensures reliable coverage without slipping, making it a practical and low-weight solution for keeping gear safe and dry on any outdoor adventure. Number 7. Hydration Bladder. A hydration bladder makes staying hydrated on the trail simple and efficient. Made from durable, BPA-free material, it features a wide opening for easy filling and cleaning, and a smooth interior to maintain hygiene. The bite valve and long tube allow hands-free drinking, while the secure seal prevents leaks. Lightweight and compact, it rolls up for easy storage and fits most backpacks. Ideal for hiking, camping, cycling, or running, it ensures convenient access to water throughout outdoor adventures. Number 6. Packable Rain Jacket. A lightweight packable rain jacket provides reliable protection from rain and wind while staying breathable and comfortable. Designed for active use, it features an adjustable hood, elastic cuffs, and weatherproof pockets for a secure fit in all conditions. Compact enough to tuck into its own pouch, it's easy to carry on hikes, bike rides, or daily commutes. Reflective detailing enhances visibility, making it a practical and versatile option for staying dry and comfortable during outdoor adventures. Number 5. Zippered Cube Ditty Bags. Compact zippered organizer bags help keep gear and personal items neatly separated while traveling or hiking. Made from durable nylon with breathable mesh tops, they allow easy visibility of contents without unpacking. The double zipper compression design maximizes packing space, reducing wrinkles and fitting efficiently into backpacks, carry-ons, or checked luggage. Lightweight and versatile, these bags streamline packing and unpacking, making it easier to stay organized on the trail, during outdoor adventures, or on business and leisure trips. Number 4. Portable Mini Tarp. A lightweight, portable tarp provides versatile protection for outdoor activities, from hiking and camping to emergency shelter. Made from durable ripstop polyethylene with reinforced corners and rope-edged sides, it resists tears and withstands rugged use. Rust-resistant grommets allow easy setup and secure anchoring, while the compact size makes it simple to carry in a backpack. Ideal for shielding gear, creating shade, or providing temporary cover, it's a practical and low-weight addition for any outdoor adventure. Number 3. Portable Pocket Stove. A compact backpacking stove provides efficient outdoor cooking for hiking, camping, or emergency use. Lightweight and portable, it fits neatly into a 1-liter pot along with all accessories. The integrated stove and pot feature a built-in igniter for easy instant lighting, while the hard anodized aluminum construction and locking handle ensure safe and durable handling. Using a windscreen enhances performance in breezy conditions. Ideal for boiling water or preparing meals on the trail, it combines convenience, portability, and reliability for any outdoor adventure. Number 2. Waterproof Lighter. A compact, windproof, and waterproof lighter provides reliable fire starting for camping, hiking, fishing, or emergency situations. The dual functionality includes a plasma arc lighter and a torch lighter with an adjustable flame, ensuring easy use in all weather conditions. Rechargeable via USB and refillable with butane, it offers long-lasting performance. Lightweight and equipped with lanyards featuring emergency whistles, it fits perfectly in backpacks or survival kits, making it an essential practical tool for any outdoor adventure or preparedness pack. Number 1. Mini Folding Shovel. A compact folding shovel provides a versatile tool for outdoor adventures, camping, hiking, and emergency use. Made from high-carbon steel, it is durable, rust-resistant, and built to handle digging, chopping, and sawing tasks. The reinforced blade and ergonomic handle make it easy to tackle gravel, soil, or mud, while its lightweight design and included nylon carry case ensure portability. Ideal for backpacking, car camping, or survival situations, it offers a reliable, space-saving solution for tackling unexpected outdoor challenges. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.